Hello and welcome. My name is Aaron Hale and this is Tips and Tricks with ProPricer. Today we're going to be talking about custom proposal fields. Custom proposal fields allow you to get more information on your reports, store more proposal information in the properties, and easily find your proposals. Once you know how to use custom proposal fields, you will be able to save yourself time and be sure you're pricing the right proposal. This feature allows you to add up to 20 new fields into the proposal properties with default values. You can search for the proposals in the proposals list based on these fields, and you can also add them into custom reports. Just a note, custom proposal fields are only available in ProPricer 9.3.105 or later. So make sure you upgrade so you can get the latest features. Also, admin level access to ProPricer is required in order to make adjustments to these fields. To locate the custom proposal fields, click the Proposal Defaults button on the Setup tab of the ribbon, and then click Text Fields in the dialog box that appears. There are 4 steps that will have to be taken in order to add new proposal fields. Step 1. Give it a name. Step 2. Select the Enabled checkbox. This will make the field available in the individual proposal. Step 3. If you want, add a default value to the proposal field. Step 4. Click OK to save the fields. I've already added 5 custom fields for us to look at. Now that we've created the fields, let's take a look at how to use them. The first place we can look to find the fields is in the proposal properties. The best way to get to the proposal properties is to right-click on the proposal and click Proposal Properties. Alternatively, you can click the proposal and then click Properties in the Proposal tab of the ribbon. The new fields will show up on the General tab of the Proposal Properties. You can use these fields to quickly find a proposal on the proposal list. To find the proposals list, double-click on the Proposals folder in the navigation pane. Using the autofilter or find feature, you can look up any of the values from the proposal list, including these new fields. Custom proposal fields are your friend when you need to add more information to your proposal. You can use these fields for reporting, for sorting, or just more information about the proposal. To summarize all this, if you want more flexibility with how much information you can store in the proposal properties, all you need to do is go to the Setup tab, add the new fields into the proposal defaults. After you have done that, enable these fields. You can report on them, sort on them, categorize your proposals by them, however you would like. If you thought this video was helpful, please share it with a colleague. If you or your team have any questions we can help with or any tips and tricks of your own, we encourage you to post them on our support portal or email us directly. Again, my name is Aaron Hale, and as always, thank you for watching.